Hey, this is Pete at Brown Dog Gadgets. We've got something new for you today. So, you know we love maker tape, and it is great, but sometimes, it comes unraveled. That's because it does have a backing on it, and we did that so that you could cut off pieces of certain length, hand them out to students in a classroom setting, whatever, which is great. But let's put that over there. It does unravel. So what we came up with was a 3D printed piece that you can use as a little tape holder. So this holds your tape together. It doesn't fall off the roll. And you can easily have this little sort of locking piece. So when you pull it back, it kind of locks it in place. When you push that forward, you can pull the tape off. So unravels like that. You can just snip it off then, and then lock it in place. So that's how that works. And just real quick, I'll show you how it works to put one of these rolls on here. Okay, so we've got our roll of tape right here. We've got our piece. I'm going to align them sort of so it's going that way. I can read BDG on there. Basically, you want to take this piece, take this, kind of hook it around, and give it a little squeeze. It should pop right on there. You just have to feed this piece through. There's a little slot right there. Feed that through there. And you've got your tape roll on there. There you go. And you can, again, pull that back to sort of lock it in place. So let's see how we actually use this thing. As we mentioned, there's sort of a lock thing. If you pull this back, it'll sort of lock the tape in place. If you go like that and loosen it, it lets it move freely. Now, there's a couple ways to do it. One way is these two pieces here, if you kind of hold it here, and give it a little squeeze, it'll loosen up the roll, easily move. If you hold it out here, it'll also move well. Now, if you hold it on the back one, it doesn't really move well because it's trying to tighten the tape. So you can either hold it on this bottom one or these top two and hold. It works great. Small one is a lot easier to sort of grab, by those sides. There's only two sides on that one, but that lets that one move pretty easily. So yeah, that's the easy way to use our tape roll.